me.
What are you doing? You coloring?
Yeah, color.
Huh?
Take the picture.
Okay, I'll take the picture. I took it, okay? Change the color. Make it blue. That's brown. Wow, that's nice, Christopher.
Take it.
Okay. I took the picture. Okay, no. I got it.
Take it.
Okay, I got it. Go, you want to do red?
Yeah.
Do the red.
That way.
Okay, yeah. Try. Huh?
Let's try.
Okay.
Let's try the picture. Let's try it.
You coloring?
That color.
Okay.
Which one?
Huh?
What's that one?
Christopher, that's brown. Pick another color.
Trady can take another color.
Pick another color.
This. That. Try this. That one.
Yeah. That's green.
Look.
Yeah. Oh, that's nice. What's that, yellow?
Yeah, yellow.
Oh, good boy. We have to go now, okay?
No, can't go now.
Say hi, Auntie Lisa. Okay.